As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Axie cost will hit $12 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $15 by the center of 2025. Axie will ascend to $20 inside the extended period of 2028 and $25 in 2029. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.14, so the cost diminished by 19% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $8.12 and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 14%. In 2024, we hope to see $7.52 per one Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $10.56. In the last part, the cost would add $1.81 and close the year at $12.37, which is plus 73% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $12.37 to $20.16, which is up 63%. Axie will begin 2026 at $12.37, then take off to $13.4 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $13.84. That implies plus 94% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $2016 to $29.03, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2031 at $2016, then take off to $21.37 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $22.57. It is about plus 216% from today. The 4s are 1-2s into 4. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $10.65, so the cost expanded by 20% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $18.21 and the year-to-year change plus 106%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 71%. In 2024, we hope to see $16.87 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $23.67. In the last part, the cost would add $4.06 and close the year at $27.73, which is plus 160% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $27.73 to $45.22, which is up 63%. Axie will begin 2026 at $27.73. Then, at that point, take off to $29.22 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $31.02. That implies plus 191% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $45.22 to $65.17, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2031 at $45.22, then take off to $47.93 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $50.63. It is about plus 375% from today. The 3 1 5 2s into 4. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $11.12, so the cost expanded by 26% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $23.35 and the year-to-year change plus 164%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 110%. In 2024, we hope to see $21.12 per one Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $30.36. In the last part, the cost would add $1.79 and close the year at $32.15, which is plus 189% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $32.15 to $54.18, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $32.15, then dip to $28.15 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $29.43. That implies plus 165% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $54.18 to $68.19, which is plus 26%. Axie will begin 2031 at $54.28. Then, at that point, take off to $57.40 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $57.88. It is about plus 421% from today. Sh3s are 1 2 enter 4. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $99.50, so the cost expanded by 7% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15.91 and the year-to-year change plus 80%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 67%. In 2024, we hope to see $14.39 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $20.68. In the last part, the cost would add $1.22 and close the year at $21.90, which is plus 131% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $21.90 to $36.98, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $21.90, then dip to $19.10 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20.05. That implies plus 111% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $36.98 to $46.46, which is plus 26%. Axie will begin 2031 at $36.98, then take off to $39.11 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $39.43. It is about plus 315% from today. 02152 into 4. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.91, so the cost diminished by 11% from the start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $19.88 and the year-to-year change plus 125%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 151%. In 2024, we hope to see $13.71 per 1 Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $23.29. In the last part, the cost would add $0.25 and close the year at $24.54, which is plus 210% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $24.54 to $41.48, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $24.54. Then, at that point, take off to $26.05 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $27.80.